Hello there. Thank you for tuning into this space. Much love and appreciation to you. I was out walking and I came across these amazing community of ducks and I decided to record them and hope you all can enjoy these little duckies as I continue to talk about um, this beautiful idea of grounding. Now, I once heard about grounding, but I didn't really understand what that meant at all until I started going out consistently. I'd be out, hanging out in the parks and just having fun, enjoying the beauty. And whenever I feel out of whack or just very agitated, I would go out for a walk, come to the park, and instantly I would feel more calm, more relaxed. And it's because of focused awareness, I think. Instead of stewing over things as you're out in nature, you can't help but look at the beauty and the bounty around you. You can't help but see all the vibrancy of variations of plants and flowers and wildlife. It is truly remarkable. Earth is really beautiful. Mother Gaia has done an exceptional job creating all of this for us to enjoy. And so the grounding is like an anchoring. And when you anchor yourself down to nature, with nature, you're connected. You're connected to yourself. Your focus is just on beauty and love. And naturally, when you're in that high vibration, you're tapped into all there is. You tap into your higher self, you tap into source. And sometimes when I get back home, I feel I'm more energized, I'm more creative. I have my mind is more expansive. So there truly is a benefit when you're out connecting with nature, connecting to self. And the more of this kind of self-regulation, self-care, self-love, then the more love you can give to others around you. Because when your heart is full, you naturally can now extend it to everyone else, and not just people, to your environment, to the animals, to plants, to all forms of life. You realize that we are one with all. So as this video is coming to an end, I hope you guys can understand a little bit more how grounding works and how connecting to self works in this way. And it really does regenerate, revitalize you, because you have the energy and the vibrations of the plants, of the trees, of all the elements out in nature, even the rocks, the water, the sun, especially the sun. So I highly encourage everyone who doesn't already do this on a regular basis to go out and do that. Even if you don't have a park to go to, you have a small patch of garden, you're just walking around your neighborhood, and just be an observer. Just observe the buildings, the dirty ones, the old ones, the new ones, the clean ones, the different variety of trees and plants and flowers in your neighborhood. That already goes a long way to revitalizing yourself. So I'll end this video now. I hope you've enjoyed the content. And if you do, please comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you so much. Much love and appreciation to you all.